paperclip is one of those small objects that is often taken for granted, but it has quite an interesting and unexpected history. While many think that the paperclip has always been shaped the way we know it today, its design has undergone various evolutions before it finally became standardized. Before the modern paperclip was invented, people used thread, wire loops, or even pins to hold documents together. It wasn't until 1899 that a Norwegian man named Johan Vaaler developed an oval-shaped paperclip design that became the foundation of the modern design. Interestingly, although Vaaler is often credited as the inventor of the paperclip, a more efficient version was actually produced by a British company, the Gem Manufacturing Company, which created the gem design we know today. Paperclips also have an interesting historical role outside of the office world. During World War II, Norwegians used paperclips as a symbol of resistance against the Nazi occupation, as they symbolized unity and resilience. With a history full of surprises, the paperclip is not just an ordinary office tool, but also has unexpected historical and symbolic value.